If you spend a lot of time browsing the web and returning to the same sites often, then this one was made for you.
WebSatchel is an extension that allows you to save a replica of web pages for easy access later.
The page is stored on the cloud and can be opened later using any browser on any computer. For example, you can save a page at home and then access that page from work at the click of a button. In fact, you can save all your open tabs into a collection and open them all back up in the same order with a single click. Saved pages are encrypted and access requires a password. Not only are these pages saved, but they're also indexed, which means that every word on the page is remembered by the WebSatchel search engine. Think of this extension as your personal knowledge base, a place to store the information you find on the internet and a companion while browsing. You can highlight and mark specific areas of a web page, which allows you to immediately focus on the important info when the page loads in the future. Or you can even create tags and assign them to specific pages for easy lookup later. Make your web browsing a whole lot easier with WebSatchel. Head over to websatchel.com to get started today.